Hi Libra, welcome to my channel. My name is Nishi. How are you guys? So this is your September's reading. It's a general reading and we will look into the September's month, how and what is going to happen for you, and also in the end of the video we will check your person's current feelings towards you and their next move, how did they perceive you, their true feelings towards you. Okay, so let's get into your reading directly, and if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that and also click on the notification bell icon so that anytime I upload any readings you will be notified. Okay, so okay Libra, let's get into your reading. First we'll check the Moonology deck and see. This is for Libra. This is for Libra for the month of September. Okay, so I got two cards for you. Conclusions are within reach and don't let pride get in your way, Libra. So the first card I got for you is conclusions are within reach. Okay, so Libra, if there is any situation that you are facing and you feel like you're not getting the answer, or the answer is just so difficult to find, the spirits are telling you that it's within your reach. Okay, so your situation, any situation that seems to be very difficult in the month of September is actually resolvable. Okay, you can resolve it. Just make sure that you don't let pride come in your way. Okay, so do not be too egoistic in the month of September. That's your guidance. Okay, so don't be too egoistic in the month of September. Stay grounded, do some meditation, but don't take too much pride about any situation. This is for Libra for the month of September. Oh my God. Your card is get grounded. I cannot believe this. I told you guys stay grounded, and then I got this card. Get grounded. Empaths, highly sensitive, connect with nature. Okay, so that's your advice, Libra, for the month of September, that whatever it is, okay, don't make any decision, don't rush into any decision, don't do anything just because your pride is asking you to do so. Okay, stay grounded, show empathy, be sensitive towards people, their emotions. Okay, try to understand the other side of the story as well. Wow. Okay, let's get into tarot and see. Doing the spread for Libra, for the month of September. Okay, this is in the releasing position. The overall energy for the reading is the Empress. Okay, so this talks about growth. Now this could be self growth, this could be growth in your environment. Okay, but this has a lot to do with nurturing things, nurturing people around you, or nurturing yourself. Okay, there is so much abundance coming through, or you may be feeling too abundant within yourself when it comes to your material world. Okay, because it's a earth energy, Empress. So you may be feeling that you are very financially stable, or you have got everything that you need in order to lead a good life. Okay, you may be focusing too much on yourself. Well, let's not say too much, when that doesn't sound good, but you are looking good. Okay, in the month of September, what you're releasing is the Nine of Pentacles. Okay, I'll have to clarify this card to see what it is, but I think some of you might be getting into a relationship if you are single. That is definitely there. And Nine of Pentacles is actually a card of It's a very self-sufficient card, honestly. Okay, uh, when I say self-sufficient, it's like somebody who's got money, somebody's looking gorgeous, somebody who cares too much about themselves. Okay, and which is also your overall reading, overall energy of the reading. So I feel like in the month of September you will be releasing that self-centered kind of thing. Okay, and you're getting into, or basically you're leaving that your own zone, or you're coming out of your comfort zone. Okay, what you're getting into is the King of Cups. So there is definitely a lot of emotions that you hold for somebody, or you will hold for some situation or somebody in the month of September. We'll clarify that and see what it is in a moment. Okay, what is coming towards you is the Six of Pentacles. So this is equality, this is equality, this is support from colleagues, friends, family. This is also financial support. Someone might be coming towards you to ask money, or it's just you helping people with money or with other material things. Okay, the outcome is the Devil. I'll have to clarify this and see why we got Devil here in the outcome. In your heart, I have Nine of Swords. So some of you are feeling very, some of you are overthinking. I feel you guys are overthinking. Okay, giving too much energy on things that is weighing really heavy on you. Some of you are even having sleepless nights. I'll have to clarify this card to see why there is Nine of Swords here. Okay, the challenge for the month of September is the Star. So the challenge is the peace. Okay, some of you might feel very restless in the month of September, maybe too emotional, because you're getting into the King of Cups position. So maybe you're getting too emotional about some certain situations. Okay, which is really taking away the peace from you. Okay, and then the Star becomes your challenge for the month of September. Okay, also I feel that there is someone, maybe something that you want to achieve really bad in your life, and it's getting hard to reach there. Okay, I think that is why in the Moonology we got the card conclusions are within reach. Okay, so something that you may be feeling is not attainable, something that you cannot get, but I don't think that's true. Okay, because that's your guidance. So things are within reach, conclusions are within reach, Libra. I'm going to clarify the cards and see what it is. Okay, 1 second. I'm going to first clarify the challenge. What is the challenge? This is for Libra. Clarifying the Star. The word, the Ace of Cups, the Chariot. Okay. The challenge for you, Libra, is about a new beginning. Okay, I see that you want to have a new beginning, you want to fresh start in your life, you want to overcome challenges that is coming towards this new beginning, and it's becoming challenge for you because you feel that it's really hard to have a new beginning with this person. Okay, could be a Cancer, Scorpio, could be a Cancer, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or a Leo, Taurus. Okay, so there is someone in your life, Libra, that you want to have a new beginning with. Okay, somebody who is like a star to you. You want to have this person in your life or begin something new with them, but it's getting really hard. Okay, it's getting hard to be with this person, to have a new beginning with this person. I see that you are ready to overcome all the challenges, but I think the problem is the focus here. Okay, you keep losing your focus, or if this is not you, then this is this person. Okay, this person keeps losing focus, or indecisive. Okay, this person may be very indecisive, or you may be very indecisive when it comes to this person. Okay, clarify the Empress and the overall energy. Okay. Can I get one more card, please? Can I get one more card? Okay. So I got the Eight of Wands, the Two of Wands, and the Ace of Pentacles. I feel like something's there in your mind, Libra. Okay, there is something in your mind that you may have been thinking through from a very long time, and you really want to work on this. Or I also feel like that you have already started working on it. So there is some plan, idea. You know, it's like I feel like you got some news. Okay, something came towards you. Could be a new opportunity, a news about a new opportunity. Okay, something related to a new opportunity that will help you make more money. Okay, and you have been thinking through. I feel like you will make a decision finally in the month of September with regards to this opportunity. Okay, so you have been thinking about either traveling to a new city or a new country, okay, to make more money, or you got some sort of opportunity, maybe a job overseas, okay, which will help you grow your money. But this is something related to money or material world. Okay, this is not emotions or love. You have either got the opportunity or you will get the opportunity in the month of September. Okay, that will really help you grow your money. You might also have to travel overseas, or if not overseas, maybe just relocate to a new city or something. And there is a new beginning, okay, and there is a lot of money here. Can you please clarify the Nine of Pentacles in the release position? Magician, okay. Lovers, okay. Yeah, this is definitely you coming out of your singlehood. Some of you Libras, if you are single, you are no longer going to be a single, okay. We have Two of Pentacles here. I think in the month of September, you're going to make a very significant decision with regards to love or a soulmate connection, okay? You might be having either multiple options in your mind, and you might be juggling up between the two of them or three of them, or how much ever options you have, doesn't matter. All I'm saying is that, or if not, you have multiple options, could be just one person that you may have been thinking through a lot, okay? And I'm finally seeing you releasing that. So you have either made a decision, okay, you will either make a decision and you'll be like, you know what, I'm going to propose this person and let's get into a relationship, or you are going to completely terminate it, okay? Terminate as in you're like, I no longer want to juggle it up. I am tired of, you know, I'm tired of wanting to make a decision, I'm not able to, so I drop it. That's it, I drop it, okay? So I'm seeing you dropping that indecisiveness of making love decision. I mean, basically you want to make a love decision and you're not able to decide on it, okay? So you're like, no, I don't want it anymore. And we got the King of Cups and the Eight of Cups. So to clarify the King of Cups, I got the King of Cups. You're walking away, Libra. You're walking away from someone. I feel like you have a lot of emotion for someone, Libra, and because you see that there is either no future or you're not able to make a decision when it comes to this person, and you have finally decided to detach from this person because this situation was Ten of Wands, okay? This situation was weighing really heavy on you, and you're like, no, I don't want to be in that zone anymore, okay? However, in the month of September, you will be detaching. I'm not saying that you will be detached completely, okay? So it is going to be emotional for you. It's not going to be too easy, okay? But I see you not quitting on yourself, and I see you progressing, moving, okay? Can you clarify the Okay, Seven of Cups. Okay. Can I get two more cards, please? Nine of Cups. Okay. Can I get one more card, please? Okay, I got two cards. The Emperor, the Seven of Swords. So Libra, I'm just saying that in the month of September, your money looks really good. Okay. Just make sure that there might be someone in your environment, could be a friend, family, relative. I'm not sure who, but there is someone who might be wanting to steal that money from you or wanting to steal that opportunity from you. So suppose you got a very good opportunity and you are seeking advice from your friends or relatives. You know what, I don't know if I should go for it. And then someone who sees the potential in that opportunity is telling you, I don't think you should. Maybe trying to give you a bad advice so you don't reach to your abundance. Okay. But there is someone, Seven of Swords, who does not hold too good intentions about you. Okay, so just be careful with this person. Could be a Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, air sign. But overall in September you are going to get lots of opportunities, because we got the Nine of Cups and the Seven of Cups. Lots of opportunity and lots of wish fulfillment. Okay, money is really good, Libra. Some of you might get promoted to a manager position as well, and that's for some of you. Okay, if this is not a promotion, then this is just you understanding your finances, you understanding your work better. Okay, and you becoming a leader basically for yourself. You're leading your life. Okay, just be careful with someone who might not hold good intentions for you, might be wanting to steal your money or steal any opportunity that comes towards you. Okay, clarify the devil. Okay, अपने आप गिर गए. So the outcome is the devil. Devil talks about addiction. Devil talks about lust, any toxic habit. Okay. I got the Seven of Pentacles, the Eight of Swords, the Three of Swords, Page of Wands, and Nine of Pentacles. In the month of September, Libra, I see you feeling very heartbroken about some situation. Okay, something that you have been waiting for quite some time, and you don't see it coming through. Okay, and you feel very heartbroken about it. I feel like you're eagerly waiting for either someone to reach out to you or waiting to hear some news. Okay, you're releasing this, and then Nine of Pentacles comes here. This is definitely with regards to love. Okay, there is someone in your life, although I do see you detaching in the month of September. Okay, but I think it keeps coming back. So you try to detach from this person and they keep coming back, their thoughts keep coming back. Okay, and there's Eight of Swords. So for some reason I feel like you guys are very insecure, or you may just feel that I am too tied up with this person. Okay, you may feel that my spiritual knots, I'm energetically tied to this person, I'm not able to move on in my life. You want them to reach out to you, you want to free yourself. Okay, you know that you are in a very toxic situation, you know it, I think you know it. Okay, and you want to come out of that toxic situation, but you're not able to because you feel too tied up with the situation or with the person. Okay, if this is a situation or this is a person, take how it resonates, but there is something in your life which is very toxic addiction. Okay, and you know about it, you know that it's not good for you. Okay, and you still keep hoping that one day I'll come out of this, one day I'll come out of this. You keep hoping for it. Okay, but I don't see you necessarily doing anything about it with the Eight of Swords card. Okay, so it's like you giving the remote control of your life to someone. and telling them, you know what, take the remote control and control me. Okay, it is like that. Clarify the Nine of Swords, please. Can I get one more cards, please? Ten of Pentacles reverse, Justice, Three of Cups, Page of Cups. Libra, do you feel betrayed by a friend or something? Okay, because I do see that. I feel like there was someone who was very close to you. If not a friend, then it's just a mutual friend or a good connection, a very friendly connection, okay? Something that you were very connected to, something that was feeling very good, happy, okay? But then I feel like something betrayed you and you are asking or you are hoping for an apology. And if this is not a betrayal from a friend, okay, then it's just you wanting to be with friends and, you know, feel light. Because some of you, I also feel that you are currently going through some financial crunch, or you may feel that your money has been looted by someone, maybe some friend, okay? There is something related to money and something related to friend here, okay? For the most part of it, I'm getting a feeling that some friend has betrayed you with money, okay? Or some friend has broken your trust, and you are now overthinking about it, okay? You're thinking too much to an extent that it's getting really heavy on you, okay? You feel betrayed, cheated, and you're overthinking, obsessing about some situation, and all you want is justice, okay? You're looking for justice, you want justice, you want to bring balance in the situation. You're like, I have been cheated, my money has been looted, now I want this person also to suffer. So I do get that kind of vibes from these three cards. And if this is not friend, then this is maybe your family also. Maybe you feel like your family has been taking too much of your money, or you may be, you know, spending a lot of money in your family because that is required, and then you're not getting anything left for yourself, okay? For your friends, for the, you know, parties and hangouts, right? Sometimes, you know, we are too weighed down by the family responsibilities that we don't have time either for ourselves or, you know, enough resources to spend on ourselves, and there's a lot of stress going on around that. That was your reading, Libra. Let me pull some advice for you. What is the advice for my Libra in the month of September? The advice for you, Libra, is experiencing and understanding. Everything is, you know, indicating towards one thing, that you understand the situation, Libra. You try to understand the situation from other angle, or other, you know, have a different perspective, because sometimes we feel that we are right unless we see the situation from a different angle altogether, right? So keep your mind open for understanding, for, you know, believing that there could be a different angle towards the situation as well, okay? You may be experiencing a lot of things. You may be experiencing, like, you know, there are certain situations in our life that give us a lot of experience, right? But that is also very good for your soul's journey. You know, it is leading you to where you should reach out to, right? So all these experiences that you're going through, Libra, is making you more mature and pushing you towards your soul purpose. Okay, so all these experiences are important, is what spirits are saying. Let's get into your partner's reading. This is for Libra's partner. This is for Libra's partner. How do they currently feel for Libra? How do they currently feel for Libra? How do they currently feel for Libra? The Chariot. Some of you might be dealing with a Cancerian. Can I get one more card, please? One more or two more cards? Two of Cups. This person loves you, yaar. This person loves you. Can I get one more card if possible? Okay, yeah. So we have Chariot, we have Two of Cups, and we have Queen of Cups. Okay. Okay. I feel like this person loves you a lot. They hold a lot of emotion for you. They are very emotionally mature kind of person. The feelings are mutual. The love is mutual between the two of you. The only challenge is the Chariot. Okay. And when I say Chariot, the problem sometimes is that this person loses focus. Okay. One moment they want to come with you, sort out everything, and the next moment they want to do something else. They want to go. Sometimes there are some people who are of two minds, or not able to understand, not able to think from their own mind, and they get influenced by other people too easily, right? I'm getting that kind of feeling from this Chariot card, that this person first wants to love you and heal everything between, and then he gets influenced by the outside environment, and then now he wants to do something else. Okay, so there is definitely that lack of focus I see in this. But then if you're concerned that they love you or not, they do. Okay, they love you. In fact, they love you a lot with the Queen of Cups. Queen is like, she's so much in love. Can you please tell me what is their next move towards Libra? Spirits, what is their next move towards Libra? Can I get one more card, please? Okay, we have Four of Cups, we have Four of Wands, and we have Lovers. So this person could be a Gemini, could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or Aries, Leo, Sag. Okay. Some of you, I feel like they have this doubt that if they propose to you, you might not accept it. Because you still haven't decided on them. Okay. So this person wants something high level, could be a marriage, engagement, or living relationship, or building a house with you, but they are not sure if you would accept. For some of you, I feel like this person thinks that you are bored of them. Okay, they feel like you're bored of them, and you haven't decided anything when it comes to this person. I feel like more the problem is from your end, Libra, not from this person's end. I mean, they're coming up pretty much, in love. Anyway, what is the potential future outcome between these two? What is the potential future outcome for the connection? Can I get one more card? The Five of Wands, the Three of Cups, the Ten of Wands, the Moon, Seven of Swords again. Every time this thing is getting highlighted, that there is someone, okay, either a relative, friend, somebody you have a friendly connection with. This person doesn't seem to hold very good intention towards you. I got that feeling in your reading also. Now I'm getting the feeling could be a mutual friend, somebody who knows you and your partner both. Okay, this person does not, this person either they lie about something or they manipulate things. Okay, but they're distracting your person or they're distracting you. Okay, I don't think that distracting you is so easy. I think they're distracting your person, and especially if your person is Cancerian, then yeah, Cancers are too emotional. I feel like still not everything is on the table. There are still things hidden, Libra, things that you're not aware of. Okay, and there are some people who are really trying to influence your connection in a wrong way. Okay, things are getting heavy, but I see both of you not giving up. Okay, and if this is not you, then this is this person, or if this is not person, then you. But either both of you or one of you is not ready to give up on this connection. They want to still work things out. Okay, which is a good thing. So I feel like this person will push their limits, or you will push their limits to be with each other. But there's definitely someone from your environment who does not hold good intentions for the connection. Let's see, this is the love notes and the guidance that I created. So let's see what do we have for you. This for Libra. This is for Libra spirits. नहीं, इतने सारे मैं नहीं ले सकती हूँ. Okay, so we got quite many. It says, first card says you are too good to be mine. Okay, you need to shed some burden of you. Some of you guys, if you guys are working too much, if you have too many responsibility, too much of work, shred some work. Okay, and just focus on yourself, focus on your healing. Time to make up to your mistakes. If you feel that you have made a mistake, then please apologize. Shred that karmic burden there. Okay, you do not apologize or do not repent for things that you have done wrong, it carries forward. Okay, someday you will have to pay back for it. So if you have a realization that you did something wrong, make up to your mistake then and there. Okay, speak up, speak up. If you guys have been holding up too much, please speak up. But make sure that you don't let ego come in. Okay, because that is your advice. So speak up in a way that you show empathy. You try to understand the other side of the story as well, and not just be too egoistic about anything. Okay, I feel intimidated in front of you or your personality. There is someone who is very intimidated. Okay, I feel like your partner just wants to say this to you, because of course Libras do have a very powerful personality. Okay, so that's about your reading, Libra. I really hope you liked it. If you did, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you next month. Bye.